here are your little lighted guys with crumbs on them, but that's okay, we got that off. Okay, and because we have wires in them, we can bend them. And a little bit of cake crumbs on there. Just get those off. Okay. And I have a little bit of fondant to put in the hole that will stabilize them. I'll use the gum paste for right now and pretend it's fondant. I have plain fondant I'll have to go get in a second. I don't know what I did with that. I've got it somewhere. So piece of fondant in the hole. No, I guess you probably can't see that, huh? And what I'll do is hold the wires in place so they won't move around and make it so that our flower can go in here. All right. Let's get the flower in all the way. I can't see it from the front, so I'm just assuming. I'll have to fix that, but I want you to see this at least. Let me find where's the box? There it is. There. Okay, but I have more. I'll fix this in a minute. So just leave that there for now. For the cake, that's the end of that part. For the cake itself, I have to find my fondant. So we're going to put decorations on it like this. Okay, and that is this cutter. This is a PME plaque cutter, embossed plaque cutter. And there's different kinds of, there's plain, and then there's this lattice pattern, and then there's like a rose or something, or rather you can buy different accessories for it. But it's made by PME. Same guys who make these cute little plunger cutters. This is a holly, and it's a set of two, but this is I'm sure you've seen, I think Susan's used this one, but this is the little one. So we're going to be using these to decorate around this side of our cake. So let me go grab my fondant. Yeah, try to do this with clean hands. Should have done it before I did the dusting, huh? Okay, a little bit of Tylose in here. We're going to make drapes and these cool little placky guys. You're not going to believe how easy these are, especially with the plunger. Talk about the easy way to go. Let me get my shortening. What I have is the edible pen. Want to know how I got my lines all nice and neat? It's an edible pen. The only way to go. Yeah, try to paint it, not so easy. Although actually because of the embossing, it's not too bad. But it's a lot easier if you use the... Okay, so I put a little bit of Tylose in there, and now it's pink. Isn't that lovely? Okay, I meant to do that. Lovely. Pretty. Yep. Cornstarch. Roll it out. Fairly thin. You don't want it too thick because it's going to go on the side of the cake. Okay. Cut it out. You don't want it too thin because it won't get the embossing either. But you got to press it down and then press the plunger down. Isn't that pretty? Yep. Did I make sure it was released before I did that? No. That was bad. Do it again. It's okay. Give me 2 seconds. I always release it. I tell my students that. Always release it before you cut it. Did I follow my instructions? No. Okay, let's try it again. Silly me. There. And if it doesn't come out, they do that and the plunger and it pushes it out. But there it is.